Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect Bluetooth device with Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro, how to use Bluetooth on this telephone. First you need to open this panel and find the Bluetooth icon. If you find this option, click on it and Bluetooth will be turned on. And we can hold click it. And then we can change device name if you want and connect to some device, or we can connect this. And we have additional setting. We can use the slider to turn on this option, and we can turn off Bluetooth. And this all. Goodbye.